Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, the wind will continue to subside tonight and temperatures will drop into the teens. So tonight's going to be the coldest night of the week. We're going to see a nice rebound over the coming days, but there's a concern for the end of the week, and we're talking about heavy rain. So let's go ahead to some headlines for Friday. We're talking about heavy rain with a potential for 1 to 3 inches. And with that amount of rain falling over a period of 12 to 24 hours, we're talking about poor drainage flooding possible. In addition to that, there could be some coastal flooding. Minor coastal flooding is possible during the high tide cycle on Friday. And as far as the wind goes, here in Connecticut, it should not be a huge problem with gusts to 30 miles an hour or higher. But you get into Rhode Island and eastern Massachusetts, we're talking about winds that could gust to 50 miles an hour or higher there. So that's something we're going to be following over the coming days for sure. Early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the state dry right now. Look at Waterbury this afternoon. Yes, it was windy and cold, but we had that deep blue sky out there all afternoon long. And now going into this evening, we have the clear sky, and that's the way it's going to be staying all night long. In Hartford, the wind is beginning to subside, but it's still adding to the wind chill for sure out there. We're not going to see the wind completely let up until after midnight. And there's our iCam into London, where it's still breezy, it's still cold. Nearby Groton is 30, it's 33 in New Haven. Salisbury is 22 already. Danbury is 29. It's also 29 degrees in Hartford. And the wind chill is as low as 8 degrees in Salisbury, and it feels like 13 at Windsor Locks at Bradley International Airport. So around the Northeast, the cold air is in place with temperatures in the 20s and low 30s, even some teens in the colder spots. And we got this big storm departing across the Canadian Maritimes. That's moving away. At the same time, high pressure is moving in from the west, and that's going to allow the wind to finally drop off. Now, it doesn't look like much right now, but we got an evolving storm in New Mexico and Texas, and notice it's starting to pull some moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico. This storm is going to pass by to our west, what we call an inside runner on Wednesday, and it's going to come loaded with moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and also picking up moisture from the Atlantic. And that's why we're thinking 1 to 3 inches of rain is a distinct possibility. So this evening on Futurecast, we're in the clear, and we'll stay in the clear through tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, you won't have to deal with a wind, but the temperature is going to be in the teens early on. As we go through the day tomorrow, mostly sunny. Now Thursday will start out with some sunshine, but then clouds will overspread the state during the course of the day. We might even see some showers knocking on our doorstep by Thursday evening. Then the rain will be heavy at times on Friday. So lows tonight in the teens, about 19 in New Haven, closer to 10. Right around 11 in Salisbury, Hartford a low of 16. And your highs for tomorrow should be in the upper 30s and low 40s, and even 40 to 45 along the I-95 corridor. Here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday, increasing clouds, a high of 48. So the warming trend continues Thursday and even more so on Friday, but we have an alert symbol in there for the heavy rain and potential for some localized flooding on Friday. Saturday, some lingering showers and 49. Sunday, the pick of the weekend, partly to mostly sunny, a high of 44. And while there could be a few flurries or snow showers on Monday, right now it does not look like a storm. So we'll say partly sunny for Christmas Eve day and breezy, a high of 37. And for Christmas Day itself, mostly sunny, a low of 23 and a high of 40. For the shoreline tomorrow, we're going to for 44, but a warmer 50 on Thursday.